with Unice Hair. They sent me this beautiful package, and let's see what's inside. They sent me a wig, and I believe this is I want to say a 14-inch. This is a 14-inch deep wave 13x6 wig. They also sent me a headband. Cute. Stocking cap. And their little card that has their business name, instructions on the back on how to use it, and they are located on Amazon as well. So this is what the wig is looking like. Taking it out of the package. This is what the wig is looking like. It's a deep wave, 14-inch, 13x6. Came with 3 combs, 2 in the front, 1 here, and adjustable scraps in the back. And the lace is, it's like a brown, medium brown. It came with baby hairs. It looked like it's already pre-plucked, but I'm gonna go in and customize it some more myself. And I'm also going to I'm also going to bleach my knots. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I washed my wig. I also tint the knots off camera. I don't know why I said tint, but I bleached the knots off camera, and I also tint my lace using some tint spray that I created. And I wanted to try something different, so I added this little patch of blonde right here in my wig. So let's get in and put this lace on. Oh, fucking up with makeup. First of all, I need to put damn makeup on this cap here. And this is gonna be a glueless lace, a glueless install. This is what the wig is looking like on my head. And I'm going to use this Eben lace glue thingy. It's something like Gots to Be, but I like this one better. So let's go in with the coat of Again, this wig is from Unice Hair, and you can order it off Amazon. It's affordable. This is a 14-inch deep wave. All right, I have everything cut off, so I'm going to go in with my She's Balm wax stick. Now I'm going in with my hot comb, press out my part. All right, this is what the hair is looking like. This is a glueless install. This wig is from Unice Hair. It's affordable wig. It's 14 inches. It's a 13 by 6 lace front wig. I love the curls. This is what it's looking like while it's drying. It's still kind of wet, but not really wet. But this is this unit, and I'm loving it. I have no complaints, nothing negative. So, I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it. I'm gonna put some little clips right here or something. But yeah.